Let's take a peek into my meal service. So I like to use family style dining. That's where the kids get to serve themselves with small utensils, pitchers of milk. We use easy to use plates and cups, and easy to manage spoons and tongs and things like that. So a lot of people are kind of intimidated, I think, by family style dining. They don't really like the idea of leaving a big bowl of applesauce or a pitcher of milk on a table with a bunch of small children. But, it actually over time they learn to manage these things. And yes, there are spills. It can get quite messy at times, but that's just really part of the learning process. And that's what's so great about family style dining. There's a lot of opportunity for learning that comes with it. If you can sit down with children, you can have conversations, you can talk about please and thank you, and over time they really just learn those basic table manners that is such a great skill to develop and learn, as well as the fine motor in scooping and pouring and using these tongs. It's a lot of hand strength and muscles involved. And when they spill, they are learning how to clean up. And, and then also just the ability to make their own decisions on how much milk they're going to put in their cup, how much applesauce do they want to put on their plate, if they want to put it on their plate. And when they get those choices, it makes them a lot more eager and engaged in the meal process, and it makes them a lot more willing to try new things. They see friends putting it on the plate. Maybe they've never tried it before. Maybe I'll try putting this on my plate. Maybe I'll like this new thing. And even the littlest ones, they learn from the bigger ones. And, I didn't even give her a demonstration or show her really. She just wanted to scoop the applesauce on her own for the first time this day. And she's only a year and a half, and she's already developing her little scoop and pour skill. I also like to involve a little bit of food prep. I have these bread boards that are great for if we're going to be slicing a soft piece of fruit like a banana. Sometimes we do strawberries. You can do hard-boiled eggs. They can peel the eggs. They can peel small oranges. I don't even have special knives or anything, just these basic ones that came with my IKEA utensil set. It's just fine. It's small enough, it's easy for them to manage, but they really like being involved. This is something maybe they saw mom and dad do, and now it's something that it's for them to do. They're peeling their own banana, they're gonna slice it up. But here we are with the more scooping with our little one, and we've got a spill. Just keep a big wad of paper towels really close and handy for you to pass out when that happens, and that's part of the learning process. But over time they get pretty good. You'll see less and less spills, and they are just get to be the little experts at serving themselves. And it's really cute when they offer to serve something to friends. I also like to keep maybe a little cup of milk in case we have oatmeal or cereal. They do enjoy pouring their own milk on there, and it just, here she is. She's pouring her own milk. She's only 2, and she's just fine with that. When they're done, this is kind of what our table looks like. Pretty messy. They don't have to stick around really, but they do need to put their things back into this bin, and that's the extent of the cleanup for the most part. It would be great to have a situation where they could go and rinse their plates and do all that, but with family childcare and this mixed age group, it's just not the reality. So things go into this bucket, and then it's easy for me to just transport it over to the sink and then get all those things loaded in the dishwasher so that we can get on with our day. Sometimes you might have a little volunteer who wants to come up and help out with the dishes if it's something that is their choice, and it's a fun activity really, and for her to just sit and play in the water and be involved with the process of getting things nice and cleaned up so that everybody can enjoy a clear space and we can get on with our day is a great feeling, that intrinsic feeling that you're part of something, that you did something good, and it's great for skill building as well as that social emotional feeling of being a part of a community and helping out in that community. I have these little sponges at the ready so that I can pass them out easily. They love wiping down things. I have these tiny squirt bottles that are labeled water, and they can just spray and clean these tables to their heart's content. If something else gets sprayed or they start spraying a friend, then yep, they know that the squirt bottle gets put up, and then they can try again, and maybe another time they won't do that, and they'll get to keep using the squirt bottle and wiping the table. But something that a 2-year-old loves, but take advantage of this opportunity of this age, because it's a real sensitive period for them to want to be involved. And so get them involved in your meal process, and this is a great thing to do afterward. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't tried family child dining yet in your family childcare, give it a go. I think you'll like it.